your UPSC rank is inversely proportional to your knowledge. So sticking to the basics, keeping your mind focused on the basic materials and keeping your quest for knowledge to the limited, fixing your contours to the examination would help you in ensuring that you clear the examination in the first attempt itself.
बिकॉज मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत ही शॉर्ट, क्विक और सिंपल रही है, क्योंकि मैं कोई आई हैड नो एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट इट. तो मैं एक लेजी इंसान हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट वे इज़ व्हाट इज़ दिस, कि एक साल के लिए आई विल जस्ट रीड 1 year, आई विल स्टिक टू दैट. उसमें से ठीक आया तो ठीक है, लिख देंगे, नहीं आया तो छोड़ देंगे. ओनली थिंग आई डिड was I revised everything multiple times. I made strong that if anything comes in the paper, I am able to recollect things and I am able to deliver that in the paper also. That will only come with revision. So don't indulge yourself in something which later on you cannot revise. Do only that, study only that which you can revise before your examination.
अपना जो रिसोर्सेज है वो काफ़ी लिमिटेड रखना है. आपके ध्यान में एक ही चीज़ होनी चाहिए, दैट इज़ द सिलेबस ऑफ यूपीएससी. वो सिलेबस आपको कहाँ से मिल रहा है, कौन सी बुक वो आपको दे रही है, और आपका जो मेंस का पर्सपेक्टिव है, इंटरव्यू का पर्सपेक्टिव है, प्रीलिम्स का पर्सपेक्टिव है, वो तीनों पर्सपेक्टिव कौन सी बुक से सेटिस्फाई हो रहे हैं. दैट वन बुक विल बी योर स्टैंडर्ड सोर्स.
Any subject could be performed well in the exam provided you have a specific strategy to go about it. So the reason why I've been able to score precisely 312 marks in public administration is that I followed a simple strategy. The exam is difficult, but our strategy needs to be simple.
The person who writes maximum answers will be surely selected. आपके पास knowledge कम है, it's very good. It's very good, I'm telling you. But you should have very good writing skill. Writing skill अच्छा कर लो. Because I have seen this, many students I have seen they will create a library. इतना books पढ़ेंगे. And we're like, hell man, it's very tough actually to study so many books. I can't study that many books in fact.
Proper introduction है, proper main body है, proper conclusion है. Somehow you're also telling him or her that you're a very organized person. And they want people who are very logical in their thinking, very organized. And that will only come when you practice answer writing as well as answer writing in a test situation.
And anybody with a little bit of aptitude can get through paper 2 of prelims. Paper 1, which is GS, whatever you are reading, notes ho, books ho, spectrum ho, current affair ho, anything that you are reading should be supplemented with doing test papers. That is the most important advice that anybody can give you about prelims.
And UPSC is a very long journey. You never know when this journey is going to end. So you start it, but you never know that when it will end. So for that, first thing is that you should have the patience and perseverance. You can many of the students are clearing it in their first attempts, but you never know. It may also take up to second, third, or fourth attempt. In my case, it was fourth attempt.